Good evening, everyone. I'm Yuki Washington.
And I'm Jessica Cartalia. First at 5, it is a next weather alert day. The rain was really coming down earlier today in West Philadelphia. We are in a bit of a lull across much of our area right now, but we're not out of the woods just yet.
Let's give you a live look from the mobile weather watcher. The roads are wet as it drives down Route 1 near Havertown in Delaware County. We could see some more heavy downpours this evening and overnight, along with high winds and a risk of severe weather.
We have team coverage tonight. Marcella Baietto is checking out the conditions in Glenside, Montgomery County. But we begin with meteorologist Tammy Souza, who's tracking what is coming our way in the next few hours.
Yeah, we're going to see much more tonight, Jess. We're going to see some high winds, some more heavy rain, thunderstorms. There is still the possibility of some severe weather as well. So let's go ahead. Let's kick it off with what is going on right now. Temperatures are quite warm, and we are looking at some scattered showers across the area. Nothing terribly heavy. We had some heavier downpours earlier, but if you head up into Lehigh Valley and up into Berks County, that's where we're looking at these steadier showers from Valley to Allentown, back toward Reading, where you're starting to clear out. Upper Bucks and Montgomery counties, just a little bit of shower activity. We head over into Burlington County, Pemberton, you're looking at steadier showers. That extends over into Ocean County near Toms River. So we're going to continue to see these showers move off to the north and the east. They're all being driven by the center of what used to be Nicole. You can see it spinning around here as it makes its way into Virginia. That is going to lift in our direction. The yellow box, that's a tornado watch. That's well to the south of us, but it just reminds us we are at the north end of potentially what could be severe weather. The rain will continue on and off tonight. It'll pick up again after midnight, I think, and that's when we're also going to be facing the potential of severe weather. 71 right now. That's right, 71 degrees right now in Philadelphia. It's going to be quite different, though, ahead. When I come back, we'll time out the rain where you live. We will talk about the coldest air yet arriving, and we will talk about the first freeze and the first flakes of the season. Yuki?
Tammy, we'll see you in a bit. Thank you. Eyewitness News reporter Marcella Baietto has been monitoring the impact of the conditions in our area, and she joins us from Glenside as people navigate the slick evening commute. Marcella?
Yuki, we're here in Glenside, and we've been here since around 10:45 a.m. and throughout the entire day, one thing that has really stayed constant is that dark, gloomy, kind of gray-looking sky all throughout the day. But one thing that has actually fluctuated is the amount of rain we've really been seeing in the area. It was a steady mist and some drizzle of rain all throughout the day up until around 3 p.m. That's when we saw kind of the sky clear up. It was still, of course, gray and gloomy, but the rain stopped for a little bit, but then a heavy downpour kicked back up right before it turned 4 p.m. As of now, though, it's kind of cleared up, not much coming down, but one thing that is down is all of these fall leaves that we're seeing. This could really clog some storm drains and, of course, become a slippery hazard for folks out here that are driving and walking on these sidewalks. Live here in Glenside, I'm Marcella Baietto, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Yeah, wet leaves can also have that effect of like driving on ice at times. Be careful. Marcella, thank you. You can track the remnants of Nicole and the chill that's heading our way this weekend. Watch the radar in real time, get current temperatures and much more. Go to cbsphiladelphia.com/weather.